This guy just put the ring light he just bought closer to the bed. What's wrong with you? Hey, K. 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 K, wake up. K. Wake up. It's late. Wake up. You sleep with a calf now.
Oh, I was just having a good dream, eh? Oh, I was in America. I was the Parliament of America. They were about serving me food. You know, my dream is to travel the world. So it's like I went to America for the first time. And oh my God, I was having a good dream. Why did you wake me up?
And then you saw Donald Trump.
No, I didn't see you. I adding some. I didn't see Donald Trump. But I saw another president.
Who?
I don't remember his face. You wake me. Oh,
Wake up, wake up. Don't sleep, wake up.
Let me sleep, please. Oh.
Wake up. It's late, it's late.
Let me sleep. Let me out.
You need to wake up. There are more work to do.
Oh. I love it. Good energy everywhere. Guys, I'm very happy today. I have something for you today. Do you know what it is? It's really amazing. Something surprising. Okay, so this is it. I got myself a new ring light. Did I say new? No, when I say new, it's like I was having some already. Like, this is my first time of getting a ring light. And guys, do you know one funny thing about this? Anytime I'm sleeping, I put it closer to my head where my pillow is because it's closer to my heart. Like, I've not been monetized yet, but I'm trying my best to, you know, to help myself out of stuff, because I really want to do this. I really want to travel the world. I love positive things. So any positive thing that I see in the world, I really want to show it for people to see. You know, people might have had a lot of misconceptions in many countries because they've not been there. I just want to be the one to, you know, transmit that information to those people who have no idea about what a country is actually made up of, the positive side of it, right? I really want to travel the world. It's my dream. I don't know, but this is my dream. I'm just hoping. I'm just trusting myself, like, and with your help to, like, try and help a brother. Anything goes, like, anything goes. Your friend, your cousin, anything. I'm your anything. I can accept. I will accept. Your son, everything. I'm okay with it. Just try and help me realize my dream. I really want to travel the world. Oh God, I'm just hoping. Thank you for being part of this family. I'm really blessed and honored and humbled to have you in my channel. Like, I really appreciate you so much. If I have the chance, I would come to your house and thank you and say God bless you. But because I can't come, I'm going to say it here. God bless you. If it is sickness that is troubling you, I stand in the blood of Jesus to cancel it. It's not going to work against you. If it is financial problems you're facing, God is going to make a lot, make your bank account full by the end of this year. If it is a child you're looking for, God is going to provide to you. Thank you so much for being there. I really appreciate it. And I just hope you're going to love my videos. So I'm going to release video every week. So every week, make sure you turn your notification bell so that when I release on weekends or every week, you wouldn't miss my videos. Do you want to miss it? I don't want to miss it, right? Thank you so much. Shout out to Auntie Lisa. She's in the States. Shout out to MC Batata. He is in Algeria, in Skikda. There are a lot of people. I really can't remember them right now. So for now, I'm going to keep these two people, and then next time I'm going to make sure I'll mention your name. So don't forget to leave a comment, because if you do it, that is when I get to know you more and interact with you. So don't forget to leave a comment so that I will mention your name in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it so much. So if you're a new person visiting my channel, it's your boy Brad KD. Just subscribe to my channel. I talk about Algeria, I talk about Africa, everywhere. I ask funny questions on the road. So please, if you want this content, kindly do and subscribe to my channel. Mention my name Brad KD, and I'll respond. Good energy everywhere.
I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to